Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you have cars and if you wash your cars by yourself, you know that you usually cannot find a good drying towel for your car. I tried many products from our supermarkets, from our stores, but unfortunately for me, I couldn't find a good quality drying towel, so I need to use 2, 3, 4 towels in order to be able to dry my car. But I discovered these drying towels. One of my friends bought them in UK, and he was very happy with the performance of this drying towel. So I decided to give it a try and to buy two very dense drying towel from ValetPro Global. As you can see, they are made in UK. They come from UK. I paid for these two towel. One is the small one. It's 50 per 50 centimeters, and the big one is 50 per 80 centimeters. I paid for both of them around $20. My plan is to use the big one, the green one, to take all the water from the car, and the second one to dry the car completely. So this is the final step. So the first step, I will use this one to take all the heavy water, and the second step is to use the gray one to make the car shine. Now let me open them to show you the quality. So on this piece of paper here, we have some specs about the towels, and as I told you, they are coming from UK, and that's it. It doesn't say that you need to wash the towel first, so I'm not going to wash it. I'm going to use it directly like this on my car. So as you can see, on this side it's very fluffy, the material is very dense, and I don't know if you see, but the material is quite high. Okay, it has this black margin here, but it integrates very well with the rest of the towel, so it will not scratch your car. And on this part, let's call it the hair of the towel, is much shorter, so you need to use this part with the hair, with the longer hair, let's say, longer material. So this is how it looks like. So this is 50 per 50, but it doesn't look like 50 per 50 to me. It looks the same size. It's 80 per 50, I think. So they must have the wrong. Yeah, it's not 50 per 50. So the specifications here are wrong. It means that it's the same size as the green one. But anyway, bigger is better. So this is one. And they have here the name of the company, ValetPro, and the instructions how to wash it. So you can wash it at 40 degrees maximum. Of course, you need to cut this not to scratch your car. So this is the first thing you need to do. And let's have a look at the green one. So again, both of them are the same size. Yeah, the same size. So they did a mistake with the gray one. But you know, they are different in terms of material, because the gray one, on one side, it has long hair and short hair here. This one has long hair on both sides. Interesting. I thought that they are the same. So basically they say drying towel, buffing towel, and on this one, drying towel. Okay, that means that first I need to use the green one, yeah, this one, and second the buffing towel, the gray one, exactly as I plan to do. Again, I saw the performance of these towels. It's very good. I love how my friend used to dry his car. I'm going to use it. And if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments, and I'm going to answer to you. Guys, I really recommend you to have a look at these towels if you are washing the car yourself. And if you are already using them, let me know your opinion and your experience with the ValetPro towels. Thanks for watching.